An indoor scavenger hunt. It's called the Red Sea.
It's full of stories, wonders.
We're gonna cook. Seryoso. Nabasa yan talaga ng mga kids. Nag-explode yung vocabulary ni Kai because of reading aloud.
Welcome back to our channel.
Ilan na nakuha nila ng subong pala?
My name is Bacolod City. It's looking on a tunnel.
Wow, is that a tana? That's so nice.
It's fighting.
Fighting? Who is fighting?
Here. Wanted to add some music and get from my camera. But never mind. I'll just
Okay, Achi, do you know what's a scavenger hunt?
Yeah, it's something we'll find.
Yeah. Our game today is indoor scavenger hunt. So all the things here you can find inside our room. So you will try to look for it.
Your room or everywhere?
Our house, inside our house. So
Okay.
it's just everywhere in the house. Okay? So you're gonna find it by yourself, one by one, and let's see how many you can find. So I'll give it to you, then you go search for it together. For Achi, and this one for Pepe.
Good morning! Welcome to the vlog. It's Mommy Dog and today is a holiday. And hindi rin ako nag-holiday duty. That's why I was able to rest. Bumabawi ako because yesterday, I don't know what happened. Sumama yung chan ko and I'm not feeling well. But ngayon, much better. Grabe yung tulog ko. Talagang I have a 9-hour sleep. Imagine, it's a 9-hour. Pero syempre, putol-putol yun because of the kids. But it's okay. So, I feel much better. And honestly, we start our day na kanina, have our breakfast, everything. And for now, we are already having a activity for the kids or a game. So, inisip ko to, we have an indoor scavenger hunt. So, I print it out. Nag-search ako ng pwede ko magawa na parang colorful siya so that I can print. Kasi syempre, si Ellie, malunong na siya magbasa, but for Faye, hindi pa. So, she is looking sa pictures. So, hopefully, it will also help her. Kanina, yun nga, ano ba yan? Associate yung picture with the word, yun. Hopefully, it will help.
I'll look for a pencil.
There. So they're doing their activities already and ako naman is I'm editing my vlog last time.
Mommy, I don't see some pencils.
It's okay. Just do other things. We have many things pa. Go check lang what you can look for. And try to think, how can I have maybe Man and Romeline have it? Yes.
I do it. Pia. Stop. Pia.
Very good. Okay.
That comb. No, this. What's the comb?
Yes, comb. Kay find the comb. Very
Mommy, what
good.
about this one?
That's a sleepers.
Mommy, where's the butterfly?
Where's the butterfly? Okay, you look for the butterfly. Wow.
Lalo.
Can you find the butterfly? Oh, where's the butterfly?
Here is.
Good job. Then what's next? Everyone sang and danced. It was the best party ever. God's people were safe at last, safe from the king of Egypt. Thank you, God, they sang as they danced. Oh no! How could they cross the ocean, the sea? It's a very big sea. It's called the Red Sea.
Huh?
Really? Is it the Red Sea? No.
Huh? How can it be a red sea?
Story, the Red Sea. So part of that story is about how God rescued his people from slavery in Egypt. And it goes like this.
The Red Sea is not just a beautiful body of water. It is full of stories, wonders, and surprises hidden beneath its surface. Species are found
So
nowhere
many
else
fish?
on Earth.
Where's the fish?
The Red Sea is truly a paradise for divers and
Stop!
It's shark.
Number 6,
Oh, sharks dive
Sudan,
in the
Eritrea,
Red Sea
Saudi
calm.
Arabia,
Yeah,
and
there's also a
all share
shark in
shores.
Red Sea. It's already lunchtime and I'm making iced tea for the kids. Yung ginagawa kasi namin iced tea dito, honestly, yung ano siya, yung nasa pouch siya, yung Nestle. Pero may ina-add kami with wild berry tea. Talagang nagustuhan siya namin ni Daddy. Dalawa kami. Hinanap namin to, tapos nagustuhan siya namin. Tapos, yun yung, mini-mix up siya namin with the iced tea para sa kids. Yun, para sometimes ginagawan sila namin hanggang naging favorite na nila. So, for this lunch, honestly, different yung style namin ngayon. Kasi kanina, nag-discuss kami, yung Bible story namin is about Moses and the parting of the Red Sea. So, going there, sabi ko nga last time, di ba nag-share ako na mayroon akong themes when I do kung ano yung activity sa kanila. So, going there, nag-learn kami more about interesting facts about Red Sea. And then, syempre, nanood din kami para mas interactive, mas makuha nila yung story. I found mga videos, Bible stories also, na related on that, yung story ni Moses. And ngayon, during lunchtime, I let them watch a documentary. Yung documentary is animals and plants na makikita lang sa Red Sea. So, now, yung lunch namin sa harap ng TV.
Sometimes in caves or wrecks. They usually only when searching for a partner.
Si Ellie entertained siya sa mga ganyan, kahit ako. Pero si Feifei, nagki-question na siya kasi syempre matagal siya. It's a documentary. So, it's also teaching them kasi minsan yung mga kids ngayon, gusto nila yung parang easy entertainment na mga film na hindi na makikinig, parang na lang, pictures na lang or mabilisan siya, parang fast-paced siya. So, we are teaching them kahit sa mga ganyan documentary, mga 1 hour siya. And see, this one is 49 minutes. So that they can really watch it, learn anything from it. Tapos yun na. It's also my time. Or minsan nanonood ako with them. And see, magla-lunch ako together with them. Ginagawa ko lang yung iced tea nila. And it's weird kasi grabe yung pawis ko.
Yay! You know what is Yay!
Careful! Do not do that!
What nice noise?
Yes. Is this what masigit? We're gonna cook spaghetti, but it's fusilli. Really the The pasta we're gonna use is what it's called fusilli. I don't know how you pronounce it. Tomato. Our spaghetti is different. It has tomato. And onion.
And garlic.
And garlic.
How's your onion? Sometimes it'll make you feel.
Do you know how to hold a knife lang da, Ellie?
No, I don't want to.
I'm gonna add mini garlic. I want mini garlic. You get the peel, the pani.
Can I try this?
Not that one, not that one. And do not put your hands when mommy have knife. Later lang. Oh, here. That one I smash lang. You get the pani.
Oh.
And you smell your hands.
I want to smell my hands off.
Hello, Daddy. Good morning. Saran. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Grabe. Every day in Moran. Ellie, it's okay. Later na mag-wash. We're gonna slice pa the onion. I'll teach you how to slice. Come Are you left or right-handed?
I'm both-handed.
Yeah, meron pala. I'm both-handed.
What's that one
Okay,
again?
come here. It's okay now. You hold this one. What's easier for you to cut? The right, maybe. You try the right one. Is it? Take that to cut.
This is.
You hold the other hand. Hold this one. No, it's easier. Maybe easier the other hand, the right hand. It's like up here.
Okay, move your hand like it's
Yeah,
new now.
you like that. You hold like that. A little long. Next, onion. What is this, Feifei?
Onion. Onion. But it's a big one.
What's in Tagalog?
Onion, onion, onion.
Sibuyas. Sibuyas. This makes you cry. You smell ba?
Can we use a smell? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Do not let's get your eyes.
Why?
No, it will make you cry. The juices there. You see? Let me read again.
Dirty.
Add 500 grams of pasta, not 400. Why did you say 400? Or why did you say 100?
Oh, where?
Grabe, 4 liters of water. Damuin eh. Ano na?
Kasi wala ko ka naka-dress up for our date. Candlelight.
You taste vegan if it tastes the same from the one I'm
Hindi
cooking.
ko ambal mo ng sala ka. Amo na itong pre-judge kung ano, lawain.
Okay.
Kinawal ko si mama.
I want to wear your expression when you eat it. Seryoso ba?
Sugoi!
Seryoso.
Namit. Itadakimasu!
Up onto our knees, everyone. We take our arms nice and wide, we wrap them round, and we go tweet, 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 tweet. And look, we glimpse outside of our tent a little monkey jumping around. Let's do some monkey jumps. Coming up onto our tippy toes, everyone. After 3, we do a big monkey jump in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Very good, everyone.
For tonight, tawag nito, I've been cleaning, yes, and decluttering some of our cabinets. One of the things that I always tell myself na syempre, I cannot keep up with everything, with all the tasks, lahat na yun. But one thing na dapat i-make sure ko lang is to know what we have here at home. Parang more on, ano ba siya, intentionality na being aware of what you have, of the things na nagulat ka na lang pala, ang dami mo ng ganito, ang dami mo ng ganito, hindi mo na siya nagagamit, years na siyang nakatago lang sa cabinet na yan, or bumibili ka at bumibili ng ganyan na gamit, not knowing na marami ka pala niyan sa bahay nyo, na pwede mo sanang magamit. Then also, things also na, yun nga, hindi ko na siya nagagamit kasi, syempre, life change, lahat ng yun, and maybe other people will be able to use that. Parang ganon. So, yun yung palagi kong sinasabi. More on intentionality, kahit dito sa bahay namin. And also, part of homemaking also, na yun nga, hindi ka nagko-collect and nagko-collect, nagpapile ng mga things, but you're really being a good steward even of the things that you buy. So, kanina, yun yung ginawa ko. Nakailang cabinets na ako. Talagang nakalimutan ko that I'm vlogging today. So, mabuti na lang naalala ko. And now, yung isang i-clean up ko is yung mga books sa mga kids. Yung mga books nila, usually, meron dong books doon sa area nila, nag-change ako. Especially when I rearrange their room. So, meron na dun sa other side. Tapos, meron din dito sa akin. Yung dito sa akin are the things that we do during read aloud, or yung mga things na talagang learning books siya, fiction and non-fiction, nandito siya sa akin. So, currently, nag-declutter na ako last month, I think. Tapos, parang may mga binigyan na ako ng mga books sa mga kakilala namin. And after that, yung mga mga nabasa na ng mga kids ko, talagang paulit-ulit na. Tapos yung iba naman is yung parang natagtad na ni Kai Kai. So, I really need to make sure I try to fix it. Kung hindi ko na siya talaga ma-fix, we give it away. Or kung ma-fix ko pa siya, then I will be giving it to some of my friends or anyone na will be needing that. So, for now, yun yung i-check ko ulit kasi parang nakailang, punta kami sa book sale. Favorite namin yung book sale. Yung mga second-hand na mga books. Doon na kami always, talagang, yun sa amin ng mga kids, even sina Ellie, tinuturo ako, treasures namin yun. If we know what to find, parang ganun. And I always make sure na mga books na makuha nila is, yun nga, will not be, especially yung mga stories, will not be against our values na tinuturo namin sa kanila, lahat ng yun. And, syempre, even yung mga iba naman is, yun, magagamit ba na namin ito for what purpose? Parang ganun. So, syempre, going with homeschooling, isa din yun. And there will be more read-alouds and really, gagamitin namin yung books to supplement yung mga gusto ng mga kids. And I really love it na-develop yun ng mga kids ko, especially si Archie, Ellie, and honestly, right now, even si Kai. So, ang dami kong sinabi, but I will show you our books na nakapal. Nandito yun siya. If you can see. Yan, I have this cabinet here inside our room. Yan. Minsan kapag manonood kami ng TV ni Daddy, ito yung TV stand namin. But for now, nakakip siya. So, kung nakikita nyo, nagpile na siya kasi nahuli na naman siya ng mga kids ko. Every time they are here in my room, yan, nag-i-enjoy yan sila. Kukunin niya nila lahat. So, isa-isa ko lang minsan binibigay sa kanila what is it for the week or for the day na babasahin nila. So, for now, I'll clean this up so that I will know also what I have. And I'll show it to you. Yan. So, dami-dami na sila, as you can see. But, I assure you, nabasa yan talaga ng mga kids ko. Yung iba, hindi pa nila na-finish, especially yung parang mga non-fiction na mga books. Pero, tingnan natin. Yung iba kasi bago, but almost, yung iba kasi bago, pero some of it na-read aloud na siya namin. So, kapag hindi pa yun, i-rotate ko na naman yan sila. So, let's check them out. I'll show it to you. Most of it are from book sale. Yung iba, National Bookstore. Yung iba, mga nabili ko from some of my friends na nagsisell ng mga second-hand books nila. Last time, sineparate ko na to from fiction to non-fiction. So, first, yun ang gagawin ko. I have the non-fiction and fiction. Yes. Yeah, let's do that first. Most of my books, if mapapansin nyo later, are reading books. Yung may mga levels. Kasi yun, example, level 1, may mga ganyan yan lagi. Level 2, different kinds siya. Pero na-read siya based on kung ano yung publishing na gumawa ng mga books na yan. It's very important to know kung ano yung level ng mga anak nyo. Tapos, starting from that, you can level up always. Yun yung ginagawa ko for Archie Ellie. Kasi syempre, kung bibili ka na ng sobrang, sige natin, above their level, hindi naman nila yun ma-appreciate. Tapos, mas mahirapan ka lang, masasayang yung books where it will stay in your house hanggang magpunta siya sa level na yun. But better na yun, alam mo yun, paunti-unti on what he or she needs, your kids needs at the moment. Please don't please, can we do that? Please, langga.
Get it. Get it.
No, this one is coloring langga. That's not for mommy. Kahit yung mga non-fiction na mga books ko, like for mga animals, lahat ng yun, tawag nito, may mga levels din. You'll be surprised. Na-amaze talaga ako, especially sa book sale. From other countries yung mga books nila. So, talagang sobrang madami kang makikita. Na-memorize na kasi ang one of this book. So, alam niyo na yung next page na nangyayari dyan. Talaga super nag-explode yung vocabulary ni Kai because of reading aloud. But more on kay Kai kasi are really board books. Kahit walang level, pero talagang sobrang yung words na ginagamit. The old man, yeah. The old woman, the girl, and the boy, and the dog. Okay? Na-memorize niya na, mga ganun. Pero, yung mga yung Yung mga level 1 books ko, example is, like, mga ganito, tapos meron din siyang level. This one is very nice. Nakita ko to, imagine, sa book sale, nabili ko siya at 40 pesos. Imagine. Maganda yung, ano niya, yung story is about sharing. So, binabasa ko talaga before I buy it. Yun nga sinabi ko kanina that hindi siya against sa values namin. Yung, madami siyang words. Example, dito, up to 50 words yung malalaman ng kids. Tapos, it focus on words. So, ito, Mighty Pops. Yung ngayon kasi, syempre ito, sila pumili nito. Kung saan familiar sila. Because yun yung pinapanood din nila. Yung mga gusto nilang mga show sa TV. So, it's also mayroon din yun sa books. And talagang, I maximize that, yung mga gusto nila. Para, mas easier, mas interested sila kapag i-read aloud ko sa kanila. Kasi they already know the characters and more on familiar na sila sa ganun. So, talagang nakikinig sila. So, konti yung mga ganito, pero kapag may nakikita kami, binibili na. Yung meron akong Scholastic na parang big books na siya, so mas higher level na for Achi Ellie na to. So madami-dami na yung story, madami na yung page, and madami na rin yung words. Si Ellie, kaya niya na yan. Yung mga binibili ko ngayon stories, maliban sa classics, naghahanap ako ng mga classics na mga story na maganda yung pag-portray, pagkwento, even yung mga pictures niya that I can read aloud with the kids. Pero naghahanap din ako yung parang hindi naman familiar or bago sa mga kids din. Then, yun din yung mga binabasa ko sa kanila and I read it to them at night. Yung walang pictures, talagang listening lang. Nakikinig sila with me while they are in their bed. Ganun siya. And honestly, it's parang nakaka-catch talaga ng mga kids and I appreciate that. This one, it already have 4 stories. Yan. 40 pesos din sa book sale. So, ito, Oxford. Madami silang Oxford book sale din, 40 pesos. Yan, ito, Magic Tree House. Siyempre, familiar na kayo lahat dito. So, kung ano lang yung makita ko na available na nasa book sale, I only have some for the Bible stories kasi talagang particular kami ni Daddy. Example, this one, the Picture Bible. Yan. So, binabasa namin and tinatry na, ina-assess talaga namin na dapat hindi siya lumalabas sa context ng totoo sa Bible. So, better for now, we are really reading directly from the Bible kapag nagde-devotional kami sa kanila. Pero meron din ako, nandun kasi sa room nila kasi yun yung palagi, everyday namin ginagamit. Binabasa namin. I found some na talagang maganda yung pagkakwento. Meron isa na parang lower level yung ang point niya pero sobrang layo niya. So parang nag-stop ako muna tapos I let Daddy read it. So yun, tulungan kami ni Daddy for that one. Pasalubong ko sa mga kids. So isa to. And it's very nice. It's separated by continents. Tapos yung different countries. So iniisa-isa na namin na mga kids. It's a flip. So, magbubukas-bukas ka. I don't know ang price niya kasi wala na siyang may nakadikit na price. At hindi ko na rin siya maalala. But for now, talagang nag-i-enjoy yung mga kids with that because it's very, visual sa kanila. This one, the Magic School Bus na ganito. Yan. Some of it, nabili ko sa mommy friend, na friend ko, nag-sell siya ng mga second-hand books niya. So, yun. Nag-order ako doon. I have. Some of it, animals, syempre madami kami. Ito, real life monster. Si Ellie, nung last namin napunta sa book sale, siyang nagpili nito. Nag-i-enjoy siya ngayon sa mga ganyan. The story about Lincoln.
This is Lincoln.
Kung nakikita nyo, may level siya. So, if you open this, yan. So, it's already level 2. Ang level 1 kasi nila are simple sentences for eager new readers. Level 2 is highest interest. Sorry, magulo na sila dalawa na. Yung itong mga National Geographic, may binibilhan ako na shop. Meron siya ng lahat nito, pero paunti-unti ko lang siya binibili. I think this one is, parang isang ganito is 200 pesos. So, yun siya. So, more on National Geographic naman siya. Then, madami. This one, another National Geographic. Graphic animals, incredible facts, visually presented. Yun yung niya. Pero sobrang ganda. Everything about animals. Even yung mga parts ng mga sa animals, lahat na yun. Si Achi kasi si Ellie, sobrang enjoy siya talaga. Yung goal ko ngayon sa kanila is to really introduce them to a variety of things, even sa books. And alam mo yun, naa-amaze talaga ako every time na nakikita ko na nag-i-enjoy sila and they are doing it even kahit wala kami ni daddy, not even in our time na mag-read aloud, lahat ng yun. Wala lang, ang ganda ng feeling. So, it's all worth it. It is a good investment for your kids. Totoo yan. And you will be amazed how it will change them. Even with their vocabulary, lahat na yun. Pero, I really need to emphasize na yung mga books, na-enjoy nila kasi dapat kasama ka. You need to do it with them. Hindi pwedeng, bibilan mo na sila ng madaming books tapos iwan mo na sa kanila. Especially if it's their first time and they do not grow with it. Especially mas prone, kunyari, mas nag-i-enjoy sila doon sa TV or sa mga screen times nila. Syempre, yun yung mas pipiliin nila. Kaya you really need to teach them. Be more intentional in teaching them to love books, to love learning, to love reading.
Bye-bye po, Kalajiji. Mommy.
So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Kalajiji.